As the rector of Elangeni TVET College, I constantly think about my role with commitment and influence. I wake up every morning and think to myself, how far can I push the college forward in the next 24 hours? I start work with the idea that we are going to learn every day. I learn even at my position every single day. The most important factor in determining whether you will succeed isn't your gender, it's you. Be open to opportunity and take risks. In fact, take the worst, the messiest, the most challenging assignment that you can find, and then take control. Always remember that as a woman, our best successes come on the heels of failures. Whatever it is that you think you want to do, and whatever it is that you think stands between you and that, stop making excuses. You can do anything. And finally, continue to break barriers and redefine norms. They pave the way for future generations of female leaders. Remember, your potential is limitless and your journey is uniquely yours. Today, I hope my words inspire you, motivate you, and carry you on in your journey wherever you are and wherever you inspire to be.
Happy Women's Day!